Now it's a quiz time. Let's see how many you will have right. The sentence number 1. You brush your teeth twice a day for good oral hygiene. Must, have to, or should? Here we're talking about recommendations. So the answer will be should. Number 2. Students complete the assignment on time to avoid penalties. Must, have to, should. Here we're talking about external obligations, so the correct answer will be B, have to. Number 3. If you are feeling unwell, you consider seeing a doctor. Must, have to, should. This sentence sounds like a suggestion for me, so the correct answer will be should. If you are feeling unwell, you should consider seeing a doctor. Number 4. In many countries, citizens pay taxes to support public services. Must, have to, or should, considering that taxes are imposed by external authorities, so here we use have to. In many countries, citizens have to pay taxes to support public services. Number 5. Drivers obey traffic rules to ensure road safety. Must, have to, or should? Here we're talking about strong obligation, something vital and essential. That's why the correct answer will be must. Number 6. Before a big exam, students review their notes and practice problems. Must, have to, should. Here we're talking about suggestion, recommendation, so the correct answer will be should. Number 7. In an emergency, you call 911 for immediate assistance. Must, have to, should. Here we're talking about something vital, essential, so the correct answer will be must. Number 8. Employees attend the mandatory training session tomorrow. Must, have to, should. Here we're talking about external obligations, so the correct answer will be have to. Number 9. If you want to stay healthy, you exercise regularly and eat a balanced diet. Must, have to, should. Well, this sentence sounds to me like a suggestion, so the correct answer will be should. If you want to stay healthy, you should exercise regularly and eat a balanced diet. And the last one, number 10. When using public transportation, passengers respect the designated seating areas for disabled individuals. Must, have to, should. Here we're talking about the recommendation, so the correct answer will be should. So how many have you got right? I invite you to write your own examples in the comment box. And if you want video like that, I invite you to follow my channel. Bye bye for now.